Hey everybody, welcome. We're doing a mail call today, and joining me as always is Happy Mutt, Athena, and then Yuki's hiding behind me somewhere. Here he is. Here he is. Oh, Athena's gonna be the bully and star of the show, but come on, back up, sweetheart. Like I say, today's mail call and today's package comes from Johnny's Corner and Maddie's Nifty Creations. I will get it right eventually. So let's see. I think you can't hog the whole camera. Come on. Come sit back. There you go. So I gotta say thank you to Johnny, to Maddie, and the girls. I definitely appreciate this. And let's see what we have. Oh boy, we got a whole bunch of stuff. Check this out. Okay, we got a really awesome poker chip. That's nice. Oop. And I love the shield on it. I do medieval stuff, so always love the shield. Thank you so much. Let's see, we have a magnet for 907 Outdoor Adventures. We'll be checking them out. I'm sure they're a great channel. Thank you so much. And a Christmas ornament. Awesome. Magnetic North Fishing Adventures. Yes, definitely a great channel. Check Lee out. Go support him. He's a really amazing guy. Next up, we have a keychain for Magnetic North Adventures. That is so neat. Awesome. Oh. Okay. Enough. Hey. Children. It's alright. Hey. Children, come on now. Next up, we have Northants Magnet Fishing. Looks like a sport I might have to get into, magnet fishing, because it looks like so much fun. And we have a seashell. Thank you. That is awesome. And then we have a little rock. Awesome. Those are going to be great to travel with here in the camper. And we got another selection of stickers. Again, Magnetic North. Check him out. Awesome guy. We got Kratos Magnetics. Cool. Be checking them out. Another MM sticker. Cool. These are neat. And then we got Maple Leaf Magnet Dipper. Cool. Check them out. Great people. And then we have Team Kratos window sticker, along with a very nice letter. Thank you guys so much. It says, congrats on the prize. The girls picked out some cool things to send you. There is also a second item coming in the mail. I hope you enjoy. Oh, thank you. This is made possible by friends and supporters like you. Oh, thank you guys. I so appreciate this. Love getting handwritten letters. So, boy, this just inspires me. I'm gonna be releasing some new information very soon. But guys, check out the channels that were listed here. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, girls. I definitely appreciate these, and we're definitely going to go on some terrific adventures. We're going to check out some great channels, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much. Say goodbye, Athena.